BUN meeting in Utrecht, and it was about Buddhist teaching Buddhism to children in primary schools. And now has made his life mission for a long time already to develop this. He developed his own method. He gave a very joyful workshop last year. A lot of people left that workshop very happy and to see that something like this is already happening and existent in the Netherlands. And he was announcing at the time that he was preparing his book and that he would love to come once it was published. And it is published now, and he's here today to show it to us, to share it with us. And so please, during the lunch break, go see him. He has an information table here at the back of the room, and maybe you would like to say something, though.
Yeah, I can say something. Yeah.
I'm very happy to be here with all the beautiful people here. A lot of initiatives, and it inspires me also to do something with these initiatives. Yeah, this book is about an educational method based on the 4 Brahma Viharas and the 6 Paramitas, which I do in 3 schools. Very powerful. Lately I was in Buddha in the polder. Maybe you saw it with the method, and you could see how the children reacted to this heart of education. And there were a lot of responses to that. And then I thought, because you're talking about initiatives, there was like a movement coming up for more compassion and wisdom in education. And more than 60 people reacted to that program. So I still have to do something with that, I guess. And you inspired me with that, with all your initiatives. I'm very happy that this 25 years of experience of Buddhism in education. I once tried to start a Buddhist school called the Mandala School. It didn't work out. But what I did is the curriculum of that Mandala School, I sustained that in the public school, and that's even more powerful maybe. So I'm very happy to present this book to you, and I hope it will continue. And it's my goal also to build up a community around this heart of education. The heart of education, heart is the essence of education based on the 4 Brahma Viharas and the 6 Paramitas. Thank you.
Wat ga ik dit doen?
Ja, maar deze is eigenlijk ook voor kleinere kinderen. Ja, deze trouwens ook.
Ja.
Alleen daar heb ik wel meer van hoor, maar dan moet ik even op school, moet ik eventjes bekijken.
Ja.
En